This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Make sure Tlauncher is installed and updated, and you have a valid Microsoft account. Open Tlauncher and pick the Minecraft Java profile you want. Once done, click the Account or Login area. Don't waste time on Settings menus. Enter your Microsoft email when prompted and choose to continue. Tlauncher will redirect to Microsoft's sign-in flow. Make sure to allow pop-ups because the login opens in a browser window. This step hands authentication to Microsoft for security reasons. Now finish the Microsoft sign-in flow. Type your password and complete any two-step verification or authenticator prompt. Once authenticated, Microsoft asks to consent to Tlauncher's requested permissions. Accept them so Tlauncher can receive your profile token. This grants secure, read-only access to your Minecraft account. After consenting, Microsoft either redirects back or shows a code. If a code appears, copy it and paste into Tlauncher immediately. This exchange provides the session token Tlauncher needs to run Java Edition under your Microsoft account. Finalize by selecting the newly added Microsoft account in Tlauncher and clicking Launch. The launcher will use the received token to start Minecraft Java. If the login fails, clear your browser cookies, try an incognito window, or rerun the sign-in. Browser state often blocks redirects. Also verify system time/date and disable VPN or proxy because token validation is time-sensitive. If problems persist, revoke Tlauncher in your Microsoft account security settings and repeat the authorization. That resets permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.